What in Nah, hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's going on with Khris Middleton's head, bro? There ain't no way. I don't even want to have to flame somebody today, dog. What is going on? Fam, look at your boy Khris Middleton, man. We done talked about this when they was in the finals. About how that's an ugly brother, bro. Why, man? You look crazy.
Cut the damn hair off now. I got some clippers. If you want, I will come to your house. Dr. Umar will come to your house and shave you.
What are you doing? This man head shape look like a goddamn black bean. Are you kidding me? What is going on here? This man's forehead is in the 21st century, but his hairline is in the civil rights movement. It's Black History Month for real. What is going on? This is ridiculous. What kind of haircut is that? Man's walked into the barbershop and said, give me the, I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, where the fuck is my hairline? What kind of head shape is this? Man's look like he got hit in the head with a helmet. He look like he need to wear a helmet. What is this, bruh? Come on, man. He transforming into third form Frieza. What is happening right now, man? Oh, long bent head ass. This shit crazy. His head shape look like a kneecap. God. Come on, man. What kind of hairline is this? What kind of head shape is this? How the fuck your hairline is on your scalp, bruh? His hairline is on his scalp, man. Come on, dog. This shit crazy. How you saluting from up here, bruh? How you saluting from up here? That's great. I got the mean widow's peak right now, right? I got the mean widow's peak right now. But this man, come on, man. It's time to shave it off. It's time to shave it off, bruh. Old kneecap head shape ass, man. This getting ridiculous. What part of the game is this? His fucking head looked like a hood ornament, son. It looked like an awning on somebody's backyard. I would like some shade, please. Oh, no problem. It's ridiculous out here. Somebody needs to call him home to glory, bro. Because you can't be walking around with no hair like this, man. He looked crazy. Man's walked out the barbershop like this. This gotta be a pandemic haircut, bruh. He must have owed somebody in back taxes, because there's no way, man. There's no way. He looked like an undiscovered animal, bruh. Are you kidding me? He looked like one of those Frieza soldiers. He looked like one of them Frieza soldiers. He looked like one of those, what was that meme? What was that meme that they were doing with the baby? What was that called? What was that called? I forget. Come on, man. Man's head looked like a vehicle, son. How your head shape look like a hearse? You drive yourself to your own funeral, bro. I know they gonna have to do extensive research on this man's head shape when he mess around and pass away. They might not be able to identify him afterward. 100 years from now, they gonna be able to look at different skeletons. They're gonna be like, this person was a male. This person was a female. What kind of extraterrestrial human being or humanoid species homunculus is this? Somebody's gonna need all kinds of help in order to mess around and identify him. Yes, he looked like Apu from fucking Dragon Ball Z, that purple motherfucker. This man hairline look crazy. There's no way. Why would you leave the house like this, man? Come on, bruh. Man, first off, his face looked like a Cyberman. He looked like a Cyberman. That's Yamcha Ops right there. God damn. They talk about a face only a mother could love. Fam, I don't even know if she love him like that. Ooh, it's bad, man. Come on, dog. It's time. It's time. It's time. Country roads, take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. It's time to go home, brother. Take that hair off, man. It's over. Go bald and then skin yourself. Like it's a bad. Ooh, it's a bad look. It's a bad look. He looked like what's his name from Destroy All Humans? Who played PS2? Man's look like the main character in Destroy All Humans, bruh. This bad. It's over, man. Ain't no way. The barber would have to see me, dog. The barber would have to see me, man. There's no way. He walk around, oh yeah, PT Cruiser. That's what he look. His hair, he PT Cruiser, man. Come on, son. What's going on? This ain't it. There's no way. Brother got that. Rihanna forehead is strong. That brother can battle. Let me tell you something right now. If he and Rihanna walk out during the sunrise and they stand opposite of each other, they can start a fire. Somebody tell Khris Middleton to go put a hat on the court. This ain't right. This ain't right. It's Black History Month, man. We shouldn't be making jokes like this. God damn, I hope he don't watch the Super Bowl, man. I hope he don't watch the Super Bowl. If he go to the Super Bowl and he there in person, when Rihanna on stage, man, if they walk out there and refuse, God damn, it's over, bro. It's over. If he start dating Rihanna, I'm sorry, A$AP Rocky. If Khris Middleton start dating Rihanna, I don't think a forehead will survive. They gonna create a child who hairline is back. Yo, they kid gonna be all forehead. They kid gonna be all forehead. Motherfucking super soldier, bruh. They kid eyebrows is gonna be down here and everything else gonna be forehead. Yo, you know, hold on, wait a minute. I got it from Pokemon. Hold on, wait a minute. Ah, shit. Oh, man. Oh, shit, I done forgot. Hold on, wait a minute. I got it. Hold on, wait. This who mans look like. Ah, shit. God damn. Hold on, wait a minute. Remember them dudes in Pokemon Coliseum? Who was those colorful motherfuckers? Ah, what the hell were they? Shit, I forget their name. First and foremost, we can start to compare and contrast bad foreheads. First, we got Booger McFarlane, right? We got Booger McFarlane. Then you got Khris Middleton. You got Booger McFarlane, Khris Middleton. These two, if you fuse their hairlines together, well, obviously Booger mess around and he ain't got no hair. But that man's forehead looked like pussy lips, right? So you got Khris Middleton head shape, you got Booger McFarlane pussy lip forehead, bruh. These two right here in media, worst goddamn head shapes in me. It's bad, bruh. It's bad, but we gonna move Booger, because this ain't about Booger, right? This ain't about Booger. He looked like a Cypher peon straight out of Pokemon Coliseum. And if Rihanna and Khris Middleton had a child, They head shape gonna look like that, the Cypher Peon, bruh. It's about to be all forehead, going all the way up. Fuck a mask. It's gonna be forehead going all the way up. They nose, mouth, and eyes about to be the first bottom 2 out of 8s. And it's gonna be all forehead going upwards. That's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be all forehead going upwards. That's crazy. This man walked outside like that. Y'all should have never showed me this, man. Y'all should have never showed me this, man. That messed up my whole goddamn night. Get that brother some Bosley. You right, Peyton. Get that brother some Bosley. That brother looked crazy out there. He looked crazy out there. His head do look like a camel hump. You right, Carlos. His head do look like a camel hump. There's Arabs right now who saw this man sitting down and tried to mound his head. There's a prince right now who tried to mound that man's head. So you telling me, brother? I thought you was a camel. There's people trying to mound him right now. Hey, Drew done said Mount Middleton. Mount Middleton. Somebody get that man a chia. It's getting bad. God dang. Oh, I thought I could just get rid of the photo. I gotta bring it back. I thought I could get rid of the photo. I gotta bring it back. Because I just remembered, mans look like that thing from the Proud Family. Remember when I told you you look like Third Form Freezer? Shit, you look like something else too. You look like something else too. Come on, man. What you doing? What you doing out here, brother? Come on, man. You out here looking wild, man. You looking crazy, man. Old PT Cruiser head shape ass. Somebody get that brother the Dragon Balls, man. Somebody get that brother the Dragon Balls, man. Cause he looked crazy out here. He looked absolutely crazy out here. This is what you left the house looking like? You in the NBA, multi-millionaire. You told the barber, line your dumb ass to look like this. This crazy. This crazy, man. What's going on out here? Ladies and gentlemen, Khris Middleton. Make some noise. Was it a 2-time All-Star? That shit look wild, man. Get him up out of here, man. Don't even get that brother no milk, man. Take him straight to the barber, man. Take him straight to the barber. He needs some salvation, man. He needs some salvation, man. He needs some salvation ASAP. We're gonna have to sing. We're gonna have to we would have to sing songs from the Lord in order to bring this man back to salvation. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Oh, let it rain. This man need Jesus, Allah, Confucius, Morgan Freeman, Arceus, Jashim, all of the gods to resurrect this man's head shape, bro, because he looked crazy out here. He looked crazy out here as we go to halftime with the OKC Thunder leading 76-66. But LeBron James, 16 points to break the all-time scoring record. But my God, man, come on, man. That shit's crazy. He looked wild out there, man. Absolutely wild out there. Now, let's go down to donations. Henry put 5 on it. Chiseled, where do you rank amongst meat beaters been beaten since June 3rd, 2005? 6,458 days ago. 38,748 nuts busted. 2 carpets covered. I think I'm voted for this. Sir, why did you feel the need to share this information with us? Why would you? I didn't need to know this. We didn't need to know this. Why would you disclose that? Sir, that's a violation. That is a violation, sir. That's a violation. We should be calling the authorities on you. Because that's crazy. That's crazy.
We are the police. We are the police. The police of Haiti. The police of Haiti.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.